Hi folks, here's my Empire B-30 steam engine. I promised in a past little short video that I would fire it up, and here we go. It's up to steam, and this was donated to me as a gift from Mike or Maxwell, forum steam member. And this was the whistle top was a gift from Stuart, another forum member. So I appreciate that, guys, and I really enjoy this engine. Let's get her fired up. There we go. She's a good runner, and as you can see, it's undergone a complete nuclear restoration. That's what I call it. We've bead-blasted, cleaned everything, repainted it, and I've added my own little pressure gauge to it with a little PM Research tubing. Let's take a look around. Just got done rebuilding the sight glass. Got it sealed up pretty good. I'm very pleased with it. It's a fine runner, got a good strong heater in it. See if I can wrap the cord around my hand. Take a little bit closer look and then end this video. Hang on. Okay. Alright folks, thanks for looking. I do appreciate it. You have yourself a great day now. Bye. Bye now.